What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Ford Adventures. It's Hong once again, and thought that today is just a nicer day to make another quick video. The sun's out, so it's not as cold, but I thought I'd just give you some updates on some upgrades, I guess. So yeah, here you can see is the tailgate that I've been working on. It's not perfect. It's somewhat done, but yeah, gotta add a few more things, fix it up a little bit. It's just temporary right now, but as you can see, it's like that, and it's kind of held in by magnets right here, 2 magnets, and unfortunately this wire snapped from the top here, so gotta fix that up eventually. But yeah, pretty simple. Saved me $200 or $300 on an actual professional one. But yeah, all I do is just finish the sides up. I don't really like these corner bits that I've done, but eventually get that fixed, and then put a cutting board at the bottom where it will slide up from the bottom here. But that is in the works until I find some more material. But other than that, it works. It's pretty sturdy. You can put a camp stove on top, or like a 2-burner stove, and it'll still hold up. But yeah, a lot of things to build these days. But new skill, I guess. And yeah. Eventually I do want to fix this up and then have it fold up into a plate on the back here, this whole section. But once I can source out the parts, because there are these clips that I can't seem to find in Canada, but they are in the States. In the States everything is cheaper, and for me to order those clips or inserts, which go into here, it's gonna cost me, if I were to order them, I think a pack of 20, I think, or so, like that, 25, it's $25 US, and then factor in the conversion, factor in the shipping, and then you have $60 worth of little 12mm plastic inserts that no one will ever even see. So yeah, they actually go in here into these little vents, I guess, or what do you call them? But they go in there and then you screw it in here. I have a piece of bent aluminum on the sides here, and then I just screw it in. So, but yeah, I do want to get those inserts, at least hopefully find them in Canada, and then have them remove these, fix this up, and have the inserts in here, use this and put that backing plate on the back, and this floats into it, so I don't have to have these wires, whatnot. So yeah, that is a work in progress. The other upgrade I have is this light bar, as you can see right here, up here. Currently I have it wired to my dome light right there, and then it just connects to a switch, and you can probably see it is on. Let me turn it off, on, off, right? And you can also the quick disconnect is right here, but I wasn't really thinking, and after the power dies out, I won't be able to turn on the lights, so I'm gonna have it directly wired up to the SPOD a little bit later. Yeah, so it'll be connected, power on whenever I need it, instead of for a brief 5 minutes until the whole car shuts off. But yeah, that's going to be in the works, and I do have another light bar coming in, and I do want to place it up here somewhere, and I'm going to get rid of this this light. It's not as bright as you can see, but I do have another light bar that I'm just gonna put it up there, and then again wired to the SPOD in front, and so it should be nice and bright in the car, so you can see actually for once. Other than that, those are the current projects. I do have another project working on the platform for the back of the Jeep here. You know, the fridge, the sleeping area, and all that. That's in the works. Gotta draw it up, figure out the dimensions, and started building my overland rig. Yeah, let me see what other upgrades. I did also upgrade the differential covers when I brought the Jeep into Rock Spider 4x4 to have the gears checked, because I did regear, and while they were checking the gears, I had them replace the diff covers with the Yukon heavy duty ones. Way beefier. You can see the sides. It's about what, half an inch or so. No, it looks like a half an inch. Way beefier than the stocks, and then you know I can do my own fluid change with the quick what do you call it, the screws that can, you know, the valve at the bottom, the quick valve, whatever. So yeah, I can do that on my own, so pretty cool. Again, Falcon shocks as well. I do have the dual battery Genesis setup coming in. It's just a matter of time. Everything is just slow these days. So yeah, 2 Odyssey batteries, Genesis battery tray coming. So yeah, lots of upgrades. Planning to replace the steering stabilizer. Mine is pretty old, it's stiff, it's rusting out. So I'm gonna do that. Gonna get the tie rod, the front tie rod replaced. It's all rusted out. So I'm gonna get aluminum, do it right, do it once, get it all aluminum 2-inch tie rod kit from RPM Steering. So that's coming in soon. But yeah, slowly upgrade things, avoiding steel, trying to move towards aluminum because it's lighter, and seeing all the reviews, all the YouTubers online, everyone slowly, not everyone, but they are moving over to aluminum bumpers, like, you know, aluminum skid plates, just to make the Jeep a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna avoid going the steel route, and wherever I can, I'm gonna replace it with the aluminum. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's just it's harder to work on the Jeep. It's getting cold. You can only be out here for so long before everything starts to freeze up. And yeah, like just staying out here, it's already cold. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon on the next video once I get the stuff coming in, and then I can do the upgrades. All right, so if you guys enjoyed it, hit a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao.